Massive greetings in the name of the Most High. This is Daddy Reds for Daddy Reds Promotions. Excuse me, and this is Talking News. In this episode, sad news. Dancehall entertainer Gully Bop has passed away. Oh, God. Yeah. You know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Show that you care. Talking News is here. Yeah, the reports came out. I just got this news. Gully Bop was admitted to Kingston Public Hospital. And, you know, God passed away. Gully Bop, big up yourself. This is the hardest talking news. Gully Bop became a viral dancehall sensation in 2014. The man went on Sting, Shell It, you know, did what he had to do. Made songs. Did what he had to do, was running the place in 2015. And like I said, I'm glad I know this person. I'm glad that, you know, he showed everybody that, you know, you can fall and you can rise again. You know, it seemed like he had some type of ailment, but he said don't worry about that, and he was doing his thing. So yo, Gully Bop, big up yourself. And you know how I go. My God, them no bad like you. Respect this dude. Every girl want to work off for you. All right. Stand in power with the Most High. I am Daddy Reds, and I'm the reggae ambassador. And Gully Bop, with your music, I will always cause a musical massacre. Dread out for now. This is Talking News. Oh.